ছোটবেলায় কাজ मेरे को तो दिखा है। Good evening, everyone. My dear students, good evening. Oh my God. Am I audible now? Yes. Online students, am I audible now? Yes. Okay. How are you all? Doing good? Okay. So, on this evening, I welcome you all. I welcome you all to the Frontend Workshop 2024. Yes, excited to know what this workshop is about. Yes. Online students, are you excited to know what this workshop is about, what we will learn, what activity means, who am I, why yes? Yes or no? If you want to talk to me, you can unmute yourself and you can talk to me, or if you feel like, oh, I'm very shy, I cannot unmute myself and talk, you can even reflect your silence. Can you do it? Can you do it? Yes. My voice is clear now? Yes. Just I guess now that yes, my dear students, there's no echo now. Please reply in the chat box. Yes? Yes. Okay. Shall we start with today's workshop? Yes or no? I know you people will be having in your mind, ma'am, what are you going to teach us today? Or what will be there in this workshop? Or what is that new thing I am going to learn? Yes, you all have this doubt. Or you all will be having this question in your mind. Yes or no? Do you have it or you don't have it? You have it? Yes. Okay. So you all are ready, full Josh. Huh? So you all are ready? Yes. Before this, myself, Aishwarya, and in this 15 days of journey of this workshop, I'll always be with you. Okay? Yes, even you people promise me that you will also be with me together. Yes, will you be with me? Yes. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is the main motive of this workshop? Or why this workshop is conducted, or why have you people joined to this workshop? Any idea? Any idea, guys? Anyone has any idea why this workshop is conducted, why you have joined? To gain the knowledge about front end, okay? Only to gain knowledge? You don't want to do something on your own? Yes or no? Full stack, okay? Others, what about you people? Ma'am, our own creativity. Yes, true, absolutely. HTML and CSS, yes or no? So before that, before me getting into the class or telling you what is this workshop about, what and all you will be learning, or in simple words, before me giving the roadmap of this workshop, let me ask few things to you guys. Can I ask few questions to you? Can I ask few questions to you? Yes. Okay. So what do you mean by this front end? Before front end, what do you mean by workshop, guys? What do you mean by workshop? Any idea what do you mean by workshop? Class. Okay, good. Other than that, it is a session, game working, class. Okay, nice, nice reply. Guys, before all this, you people will be thinking, what is this V stand for you solutions, right? Yes or no? Do you have this question? Yes. This V stand for you solutions is basically an edtech company where we'll be training students on full stack development. Someone in the chat box already said, ma'am, I have come here to learn full stack. First of all, you people tell me, do you people know what you mean by full stack course or full stack development? Yes, do you people have any idea what do you mean by full stack development? Yes. Okay, what is full stack development, guys? What is full stack development? Any idea? Front end, back end, database, both front end and back end. Yes. Today, see, you will be having something called as full stack development. Yes or no? You will be having something called as full stack development. And in this one, again, you have two subdivisions. Yes or no? Again, in this, you have two subdivisions. What may be the subdivision? The subdivision number one is called as front-end development. Yes or no, guys? Front-end development. And you have another one subdivision. What is the other subdivision? Can I say the second one? You have something called as back-end development. Yes or no? You two are aware of these two, right? You two are aware of these two? Yes or no? So now, you people tell me, If you people learn this front-end development or back-end development, at the end, what you all will become? You all will become what? You all will become developers. Yes or no? Can I ask a very small question? Why do you want to become a developer? Yes. My dear students, why do you want to become a developer? Is it because you get more salary? You get paid more? The package is more? You want to go to development for that reason? Yes, sir. Improve skills. Okay. To develop website, to design websites. Okay. Guys, touch your heart and tell me, seriously, you people are going to this development for learning things, or the first motive is money? To develop web applications, yes, true. Blood. What do you mean by blood, Nandu? Nandu, what do you mean by blood? Yeah, exactly. That is what I said you. But I did not understand what you meant by something called as blood. Okay, let it be. So, in this front-end development, what and all technologies you will be learning? In this front-end development, what and all technologies you will be learning? Any idea, guys? Any idea? So, in this front-end development, you will be learning something called as HTML, and you will be learning something called as CSS, and you will also have something called as JS. What is JS, guys? What is JS? JS is nothing but JavaScript. Okay. And what and all you will be learning in the back end? What and all you will be learning in the back end? Okay. You will be learning. Okay. In the back end, can I say you will be learning all the programming languages? Can I say like this? Yes or no? In this backend, you will be learning all the programming languages. So what and all are the programming languages which you people know? What and all are the programming languages which you people know? Python, Java, C++, C, yes or no? These are the different types of programming languages which you people will be learning. Yes, but as I said you, what is the agenda of this workshop? The agenda is only saying front end workshop. Yes or no? So here in this workshop, you will be mainly learning these two subjects, that is HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS. Is only HTML and CSS important, or even other things are also important? Other things are also important. You people would have learnt about Angular. You people would have learnt about, heard about Node.js, React.js, everything you would have learned. But first I am teaching with HTML and CSS. Why? Why, guys? Yeah, you have something called as MERN also. Why? See, I'll tell you one very small example, okay? I'll tell you one very, very small example. See, I hope you all eat fruits, no? You all eat fruits? Yes or no? Yes. Where will that fruit grow? On the tree? Yes or no? If the tree is beautiful, then only you will go pluck that fruit and you will eat, or you will feel like eating that fruit. Yes? Yes or no? So, before that, if the tree has to grow, you have to get a beautiful fruit out of it. First of all, you have to plant a seed, no? Should you plant a seed or shouldn't you plant a seed? Seed is very much important. Yes or no? Yes. So now that seed is only nothing but, see, if you have to learn Angular, if you have to learn Bootstrap, if you have to learn React.js, Node.js, any other technologies, your HTML and CSS is only the base for it. If I don't build a base, what will happen? For a building, without a basement, if I try to build that building, what will happen? It will collapse, no? It will collapse. Yes, you want the building to stand up straight? or you want it to collapse? No, ma'am. First floor katta irange dabbanta bidogbeku. You want like that? You want like that? Yeah, boom. Up straight. Yes. You want to build a strong building or you want to build a very weak building? Ma'am, if it is there for 2 years also, it's enough for me, ma'am. After 2 years, if it collapses also, I don't care. Yes. If it collapses also, you don't care. Yes or no, guys? No. It is very important, no? So basement is very important. Yes. So only for that reason, you will be learning something called as HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS. Okay. Clear with this? Clear with this? Yes. Ma'am, you will teach HTML and CSS, okay, ma'am? You will teach HTML and CSS, okay. But what is the special thing you are telling us or teaching us in that HTML and CSS? Yes, you want to know? You want to know or you don't want to know? Okay. Just a second. Let me share my screen. Okay. Guys, is my screen visible for you people? Is my screen visible for you people? Yes. Okay. You want to know what and all you'll be learning in this workshop? See, at the end, I know now you people will be getting passed out very soon. But now also you people don't know to write code, no? Yes or no? Tell me truly, do you people know how to write the code by yourself, by your own? Do you know or you don't know? No. Who will say, yes, ma'am, I know to write the code on my own? Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay, so I can assume that whatever projects you people are doing for this final year, you people are only developing the code. Yes, sir. On your own, you people are developing the code. Okay, very nice. Very, very good. Okay. So now you got to know what is this full stack development, and you also got to know what you will be learning in this front end and you will be learning in this back end. And before someone said, ma'am, money is important, no? Guys, if you just learn this front end technologies, no? I'm not talking about back end. I'm not talking about back end. Just if you learn this front end technologies with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, you learn this much, no? Trust me, you can earn how many LPA? How many LPA? Precious, you all want lakhs together, no? 15 LPA, 20 LPA. Yes? Yes, sir? Guys, if you learn only this front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, okay, you can really earn up to 6 to 10 LPA. Only with front-end technologies. If you learn all these front-end technologies, no, you will be called as what? You will be called as what developers? You will be called as front-end developers. Yes or no? Yes. So you all will become front-end developers or back-end developers? What you want to become? Both. Okay, you want to become both. Full stack. Okay, good. Good. Okay. So now, let me tell you what and all may be the contents which you people are going to learn in this both front-end, HTML and CSS. Okay. Shall I display that to you? Shall I display? Yes. One second. Yes. Can you see the topics which and all you will be learning in the very first front-end subject, that is nothing but HTML? Yes. What and all you will be learning, guys? Yes, can anyone tell me what and all you'll be learning? I hope my screen is visible to you all. Is it visible? Guys, please reply in the chat box, no?
Introduction to front-end technology.
You can unmute yourself and talk.
Introduction to web-based application. Introduction to HTML.
So, the very first thing you will be learning is introduction to front-end technologies. Guys, if you want, you can take a snap of this. You can take a snap of this. Without content, going further is not good, no? If you don't know the content only, how will you know what I'm going to teach or what I'm not going to teach? So if you, just a request that you people take a snap of it. Snap picture of it. Yes, are you all taking it? Are you all taking it? Done. Okay. So, see, in HTML, first of all, what is HTML? I will tell you. What is HTML? I will tell you. Now, as I said you people, I will just be giving the roadmap of what and all you will be learning in this workshop. What and all you will be learning, or what new things you will be learning in this workshop. Okay. So in HTML, you will be learning front-end technologies. You will be learning what is HTML colors. You will be learning what is HTML lists, tables, form, everything you learn. What and all the contents I have displayed there, you will be learning that. Okay. You want to know what is CSS? What you will be learning in the CSS? Yes. Yes or no? Okay. Can you see in CSS what and all you can learn? Guys, CSS is very, very, very important, you know. You know why? HTML is like black and white picture. And your CSS is like color picture. Full jingilala. Yes. Which one you want? You want black and white picture or full color pictures? Which one you want? You want jingilala. Okay, very good. I will teach you how to do the jingilala page. Okay. Okay, very good. Even take the snap of this one. Please, if you want, you take. I'm not forcing you, people. Okay. So now, ma'am, okay, ma'am, you said is that you will be teaching us HTML, you will be teaching us CSS, and at last, you know what's the agenda of this program? You people should be able to develop one beautiful website. Whatever website you take, can you see the projects which you people will be doing in this workshop? Yes. See, what is the very first project I'm saying? What is the very first project you people will be doing in this workshop? Yes, what is the workshop? See, what is the program you will be doing or the project you will be doing? One skip last slide, ma'am. You want me to display the CSS content? Jyoti? Yes, okay. Yes, Jyoti, you can take a picture of it. Done, Jyoti? Okay. So guys, I will teach you people to develop one very famous project which I have developed. Okay. Can you see what is that? What is the project name? Have you heard about this name anywhere? Nammura Sobagu. Have you heard about it? Yes or no? My dear students, no? You want to know in high level definition, what is this project about? You want to know what is this project about? Yes. So when you all go to the restaurants, you go to 5-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star, or roadside also. If you go there, they will give you one beautiful book which has color pictures, color starters, or color foods you will be having. Very tasty, no? Yes or no? I think positions is not present in CSS. Static, relative. Fixed, absolutely sticky. Nandu, that also I will be teaching. Every content I cannot put inside one slide, no? Okay, don't worry, I will teach you about it. It's not sentiment analysis, it is semantic analysis. I have already mentioned, if you people look at it, there is something called as semantic elements. In that one, you will get it, okay? It is not sentiment, it is semantic. Okay. Okay. So in this project, Namura Sobagu, you will be trying or you will be developing one restaurant page for that. See, for an example, you go for your very favorite restaurant. My favorite restaurant is Empire. Okay. So when you go there, you will have list of menus there. Yes or no? You will be having list of menus there. Yes. Or when you visit to their website also, you will be having different menus. Yes. By like that only, you will be displaying or you will be developing one project called as Namura Subugo. I am not saying that you will be developing non-veg page. Okay. You will be developing one project on that. Next one, what will you be developing? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. The second project you will be doing is something called as personal portfolio. Can you tell me what do you mean by personal portfolio? What do you mean by personal portfolio? Any idea? Portfolio. Portfolio means portfolio. You mean by portfolio, guys? Not my portfolio, your portfolio you will be doing. Our own resume. Guys, for doing this resume only, you people will do all hook and crook method. Yes or no? Till now, you people don't know what is the correct format of your resume. Yes or no? Ma'am, ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ma'am. You develop like this, you develop like this. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, who's this Durga Prasad? One second, one second. Okay. Now, is it okay? Okay. It means to create a website. Please mute everyone. Yeah, everyone is muted. Okay. So you will be developing one personal portfolio, that is how to build your own resume, how to build a resume and how to make it, like see, as I said you in HTML, you will be developing something in very much black and white. And by using some CSS styles, what is the CSS styles? I will tell you. Okay. By using CSS styles and HTML, you will be developing another one beautiful project, that is your personal portfolio, not my personal portfolio. Okay. Done. Next one, you have something called as event invitation. What for what in all event you can create one invitation? Marriage. Yes. Girls, marriage. Yes. Other than that, for what events can you create one invitation? Birthday. Yes or no? Yes, birthday. Other than what event can you create? Other than that, don't say ma'am death ceremony. For that and all, no one will create an event. Or sorry, they'll not create an invitation. College fests. Okay, good. Okay, so whichever event you want, I will teach you one simple and not simple. I will teach you people how to create an invitation for one event. Rest, you want marriage, you want reception, birthday, that thing, this thing, whatever you want, you give the content, code I will teach. Okay, done? Yes or no? Baby shower. Yeah, very good. Baby shower. Okay. Guys, so you all got to know what is the agenda of this workshop, or what and all you people will be learning in HTML and CSS, and also what and all projects you will be developing. Yes or no? You all want to develop this project? Yes, by your own. Go and show your mom. Amma, see, I have developed this website. I have developed this page. Yes, your parents will feel proud of you people, no? Yes. Yes, by your own you will be doing. Yes, Mahendra. Okay. Today we will learn with the very first topic. That is nothing but introduction to front-end technologies. You will be learning the very first topic that is called as introduction to front-end technologies. Okay, you people got to know what is front end, what are the subjects you will be learning in front end. Yes, clear with that, clear with that. And you also learned what is this back end. Yes, you also learned what is this back end. Combining both front end and back end is nothing but your full stack development. You got to know this. Yes, yes or no? Yes. Now you people tell me, what do you mean by this front end? And end which is having in front point is called as front end. Yes, sir. Is it so? Is it so, guys? What do you mean by front end? Any idea? Anyone? Yeah, okay. Can you tell me what do you mean by front end? What do you mean by front end? Okay. What are the subject? Okay. For an example, you people, every day you people are using Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everything. No? Many more applications you people are using. Yes. Yes or no? So, you people are seeing that, no? I will tell it in very basic format. The definition I will give you. But first understand what is this front end, what is back end. Okay. So now, you people will go to Google. You people will go to Google and type www.gmail.com or any of your favorite website. Okay. So then what will happen? As soon as I type www.gmail.com, what will happen? The front end is what uses C. Yes. So, as I said you now, when you type www.gmail.com, you will get the Gmail website. Yes or no? So, don't you think that is nothing but front which is visible to the users? What do you mean by front end? Any website or web page which is visible to us, which is visible to the users, is called as front end. It is called as front end. Clear with this? Clear with this? Yes. Okay. You got to know what is this front end. Now, what is front end technology? What do you mean by front end technology now? You understood what is front end. Anything which is visible to the user is called as front end. Now, what do you mean by front end technology? Yes, what do you mean by front end technology? So, can I say that front end technology, what do you mean by technology, guys? What do you mean by technology? Technology is used to build the front end. And which is the technology used to build the front end? Your HTML and CSS. Yes or no? Yes or no? The technology is only your HTML and CSS. Yes. Yes. Before me telling what is this HTML, what is this CSS, where you will use HTML, how to use HTML, if you people observe the screen, in this front-end technology or in HTML, you have two types of websites. You have two types of websites. Ma'am, in my entire life, I've seen only one type of website, man. Whenever I go and enter something, I will get a website. Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes. That is the only type of website you people have seen. Yes, guys, you're absolutely correct. Now, ma'am, only one website I know. But now, you are saying that in a website only we have two types of website. One is static website and another one is dynamic website. Yes or no?
At least by seeing that picture, can you tell me what do you mean by static website or dynamic website? So here you have something called as static website. You have something called as static website. Guys, whatever I'm writing on the board, is it visible to you all? Whatever I'm writing on the board, is it visible to you all? Yes. Yes. Okay. No, ma'am. Yes, it is visible, ma. Okay. So now you have something called a static website, and you have another type of website called as dynamic website. You have another type of website called as dynamic website. Okay. RK, wait, have patience. I'll teach, Baba. Okay. So now, what do you mean by forget about website and website? Now, what do you mean by static and what do you mean by dynamic? It is dynamic, not dynamite. It is dynamic. Okay. What do you mean by static or what do you mean by dynamic, guys? RK. Can I give you a very small example for this? For making you people understand what is static website and dynamic website? Yes or no? Shall I give it, guys? Okay. Chrome page is dynamic. Okay. Someone is saying that, ma'am, Chrome page is dynamic. Why Internet Explorer is not dynamic? Opera is not dynamic. What do you mean by the word dynamic? Okay. Let me first talk something about static website. Guys, I will give an example for this. Website can change based on user actions all the time. Yes. Okay. So now, for the static website, I hope the board is visible. The board is visible. Yes or no? Guys, yeah. Okay. So now, static website. Okay. So now, let me consider one beautiful web page. Let me consider one beautiful web page. Which web page you want me to consider or which website you want me to consider? Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, YouTube, which one you want? Which one you want? Yes, guys, tell me which website you want me to consider. Instagram. Okay. So now you have one web page. Before, guys, from that time I'm saying web page, website, web page and website. Before that, you tell me, before me getting into this, what is static website and dynamic website? Can you tell me what is the difference between web page and website? Can you tell me what is the difference between these two? Yes. Can you tell me what do you mean by web page or what do you mean by website? A web which is having a page is called web page. Huh? Yes, sir. Don't know. Okay. Group of web pages form website. Okay. Guys, web page is nothing but in simple terms, I'll tell you the difference between these two. Web page is nothing but it consists of only one single page. Correct? Am I true? Am I true? Am I true, guys? Web page. Yes. In simple terms, I'm saying what is interface, what is other things, I will tell you later. Okay. So now, web page is nothing but which consists of only one single page. What is that one single page? See, for an example, today I'm teaching you people to write one code. Okay. So when you run that code, a separate web page will be displayed. One output will be displayed. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yeah, I'm always true. Yes. So only I have become a trainer, no? Yeah. So, single page. What do you mean by single page? Today I come to the class. When I'm teaching you people, I will write something in the code. I will write my code, and then what I will do? I will try to run that code. And when you run that code, you will get one output. That output is only nothing but web page. Because why? Only one page is there. Only it consists of only one single page. That is the reason you call it as web page. That is only called as web page. Clear? Now, what do you mean by website? Now, what do you mean by website? Yes, what do you mean by website, my dear students? Can you tell me? What do you mean by website? Now tell no, everyone. A website is a collection of web pages. A website is a collection of web pages. Okay. Can I say a website is nothing but, as your friends are saying, it is nothing but collection of web pages. Collection of web pages. Can you tell me an example for this website? Can you tell me an example for website? Collection of related web pages. Yes, that is what I'm saying. It is nothing but collection of web pages. It's nothing but called as website. Guys, today you all are using Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, YouTube, everything. Yes or no? So when you enter one data, if suppose I consider an example of YouTube. I consider an example of YouTube. And then what you will do, you will go and search for some data. Some song you will go and search for. Okay. Then when you search for it, it is redirecting you to another page. Yes or no? It is redirecting you to another page. Yes. So don't you think that only one YouTube page is having many other pages inside that? Pages like what? For whatever data you are searching for, you have many other pages for that. Yes or no? That is only called as website. Now, will you people develop web page or website? Yes, what do you want what you people want to create? Web page or website? You want web page or website? Website. First, you know what? First, we will learn start keeping baby steps. That is nothing but first develop web page. Then we will develop website. Okay? Clear? Done? First web page. Yes, you're absolutely correct, Harsha. Okay? Now, let me come back to your static website and dynamic website. What do you mean by static website? What do you mean by the word static? Static. What do you mean by the word static, guys? So, as you people said, someone said, stop, constant. Oh, I thought that you are telling me to stop. Okay. Mr. Hacker. Okay. So now, let me consider your Instagram page. Let me consider your Instagram page. Which Instagram page? Which Instagram page? Let me consider Instagram login page. Let me consider Instagram login page. Okay. What and all you will be having inside this login page? Can you tell me? What and all you will be having inside this login page? Yes, guys. What and all you will be having inside this login page? Can I say you will be having something called as username, which is very, very confidential. Yes or no? Username is not confidential. And you have something called as password. You have something called as password. Yes or no? Yes or no? And then you have two buttons here. What are those two buttons? That is nothing but one, you have something called as login button, and another one you have something called as cancel button. Yes, this is what you will have. This is what you will have. Anything extra you will have? Yeah, extra you will be having something called as forgot password, something like that. Yes or no? Yes or no? Online students, can you reply? Yes. So now, ma'am, why did you consider this example, guys. You take Instagram, the same username, the same password, the same these two buttons, login button and cancel button. Yes. You consider with Snapchat also same username, same password, same login button, same cancel button. Whichever website you take, you consider Amazon also. You have username, you have password, you have login button and cancel button. Or you can also say, ma'am, I will have submit button. Okay, take. You will have submit, take it as submit. You have cancel, cancel is always cancel. You cannot have a separate name for that. Yes or no? So guys, will this page, your login page, you take login page for any website, whichever website you want, take boys and girls, you have the same, it's not going to change. Maybe you will have colors, you will have many colors inside that. It will be something different. The handwriting style may be different. But whatever the content is there inside this, the username, password, login button, and cancel button, is it going to change? Is it going to change? Will it change, guys? Will it change? No, it will not change. It will not change. So only those type of websites are called as static website. Those types of websites are called as static website. Okay, clear? Done? Yes or no? Can you give me what you people are saying? No? Okay, clear with what is static website? Clear with what is static website? Yes. Can you give me another example for static? Oh, okay. Can I say something like this? I'll not talk about website. For the static website, I will give, don't see this word called as website. Can I say your visiting card? Your visiting card. Anyone has visiting card? No, ma'am. Till now in my life, I've not achieved so much that I have something called as visiting card. I have only one card, that is my resume card. Yes? True? True. True, guys. Amrish, I'm not teaching course. I'm telling about the introduction to front-end technologies, and in that one, I'm talking about the website called as static website and dynamic website. Yes? Yes? Am I saying something irrelevant that you people are getting confused? No, no? No. Okay, good. So, now, I will say something called as, now, for the definition of this static website, for the definition of this static website, I will say something like this. I will say the data which is not controlled by users, the data which is not controlled by user. Can I say like this? The data which is not controlled by users. Now, what do you mean by the data which is not controlled by users? Can you tell me what do you mean by the data which is not controlled by users? Guys, what do you mean by the data which is not controlled by users? We people are called as users. Yes or no? What is the data here? Can you people, okay, now I'm just developing this website with something called as username, password, login button and cancel button. Okay. This page is there. Now, according to my requirement, I want to add one extra feature. Something called as forgotten password. I will say something called as forgotten password. Yes or no? So don't you think that if I want to add this extra thing here, so can I call this as data? Can I call this as data? So if I want to develop the web page with this forgotten password, don't you think that I have to write one separate code for that and then I have to add it inside the login page? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yeah, and help, whatever. Yes? Yes. So don't you think that the data, unless and until I write the code, I add it in the web page, the data is not my hands. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So you got to know what is static website. What is static website, guys? What is the definition? The data which is not controlled by users is called as static website. Clear? Done? Yes or no? Ma'am, why you gave an example of visiting card here? Guys, once you give the data for visiting card, saying so and so, I will do this job, I will do that job, my mobile number is this, address is this. After your visiting card has got printed, if you want to add extra data into that, will you write there only taking marker? I will write there. Will you do like this? Will you do like this? No, no. Again, if it has to look in a very professional manner, what you will do? Again, you will go to the wherever that visiting card was getting typed or printed. You will go to that person and you will say, sir, please add this extra data into that. And again, one new visiting card you will get. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes. So only I gave an example for static, I gave an example of visiting card. Clear? Done? Yes or no? Yes. Shall I proceed with the next one? Shall I proceed with the next one? So now, what do you people mean by dynamic website? Okay, static you understood. Dynamic website? What is dynamic website? What is dynamic website, guys? So can I say like this? Again, consider one web page. Again, consider one web page. Okay, which web page you want me to consider? Which web page you want me to consider? Yeah, it is correct. Can you tell me which web page I can consider here now? Yes. Yes or no, guys? Can you tell me which website, which web page you want me to consider? WhatsApp. Okay. Let me consider WhatsApp web page. Let me consider WhatsApp web page. So what and all you will be having in this WhatsApp web page? What and all you will be having in that WhatsApp web page? So can I say you will be having something called as mobile number? Yes or no? And you will have a box inside this. Yes. Yes. Yes or no? And next, you will be having one button that is called as send code. Yes or no, guys? The same thing you will be having, or you will be having something different? Will you be having the same thing, or you will be having something different? No? You will be having that only? Yes? So now, as soon as I enter my mobile number, and I will click on send code. I will click on send code. So now, don't you think that it is getting changed from login page to the verification code page where you will be entering that code, where you will be entering the verification code? Yes or no? Yes. So now, can I call these type of website as dynamic website, which is not constant? See, if you take your Instagram page, will you have the same like this? Will you have mobile number? Will you have send code button? Will you have send code button? No, you will not be having those type of buttons, na? Yes. So only these type of websites are called as dynamic websites. Now, can you people tell me what is the definition of dynamic website? Can you people tell me what is the definition of dynamic website? Ma'am, here you have written one. Opposite of that only is dynamic website. Yes, sir. Which is not constant. Okay. So, can I say dynamic website is nothing but the data which is controlled by users. The data which is controlled by users is called as dynamic website. True? Now, can you tell me what is the data which I am controlling or which the users are controlling? Can you tell me which is the data that the users are controlling? Which one? WhatsApp chat? Yes. Phone numbers? Yes or no? So those data are controlled by you people. Whatever data you want, you can send it to anyone. Whatever data you want to add in the WhatsApp status, you can add that. So can I call those type of website as dynamic website? Yes. Can I call this as dynamic websites? Yes or no? Yes. So now, are you people clear with what is static website and dynamic website? Clear with this? Clear with this? Okay. Why can't Instagram be dynamic website? Okay. Why Instagram cannot be a dynamic website is because, see, for an example, let me consider this as Instagram website. Okay. You will be having, okay, here only you have Instagram website. Okay. Here only, see, you will enter the username, you will enter the password, and you will click on login button. Yes or no? But how my web page will change? So if this is a web page, as soon as you see here, the features, whatever features it may be. If you people have seen this Instagram web page, here you will have something called as your story, and you will be having rest of other people's stories here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, guys. And then at the bottom, you will be having again different features. You will be having again different features. You will be having reels. You will be having search. You will be having notification with a heart symbol. Yes or no? Is that the same with WhatsApp? Is it same with the WhatsApp? No. The features are getting changed. The look and feel is also getting changed. Yes or no? The look and feel is also getting changed. You please stop sharing the screen for something. Why, Janvi? What happened? Janvi? Now is it visible? Now is it visible, Janvi? Okay. Okay, Amrish, I'll continue. Thank you so much. Okay. Can you, okay. Now, you people have got to know what is this static website, what is this dynamic website, but there will be chat status features in WhatsApp also, no ma'am, which we can't change. That is what I said you, the look and feel of the website will get changed. So, however your Instagram website is being displayed, is the same way your WhatsApp is also getting displayed. Yes, the features may be the same, but however, see, for static website, you have the same username, same password, same login button, same cancel button. You take it for any other website also, these things will never ever change. It will be the same. Maybe the page name will be different, but whatever you look is the same. It's never changing. Yes. If look and feel are different, how can we differentiate between them? If look and feel is different, I will tell you what do you mean by this look and feel while I am telling about this. Okay, I gave an example saying that your HTML is like black and white, and your CSS is like color, jingilala. Now you people tell me what is the difference between black and white and color. Yes, tell me which one you like. So the black and white picture and the color picture, there is some feel. The way you feel by seeing that website, you will feel like yes, I have to use that website. If it is in black and white, no color, no nothing, only the content, will you use that website? Will you use that website? We always like singular. Yes, correct. Is Facebook static or dynamic website? See, that is what I'm saying. Whichever login page you take, login page or welcome page, that will be static. That will be static. Other than that, that is called as dynamic website. Clear? Clear? Clear, guys? Okay. Okay. Shall I continue with the next one? Shall I continue with the next one? So you people understood what is front-end, what is static website, what is dynamic website, and you also understood what is the difference between web page and website. Yes, you're clear with all these topics? Are you clear with all these topics? Yes or no? Any doubt you have, ask me now only. Any doubt you have, you can ask me right away. Anyone has any doubts? Shall I continue with the next? Shall I continue with the next? Okay, done. So now, after this static and dynamic website, take down the next heading as Introduction to HTML. Introduction to HTML. Or guys, wait a second. Don't copy that. Let me start. Okay. You people, from that time you are saying HTML CSS. But you never said this. What is this HTML or what is this CSS? Yes? Yes or no? Yes, please, ma'am. Okay, I will tell it in a very different manner. Okay, so now let us start. What is HTML and what is CSS? Yes. Hypertext markup language. Yes, Lakshmi, that is the abbreviation. But before that abbreviation means what? Full form. Before that full form, let me take a very small example to differentiate what is HTML and CSS. Okay, shall we? I'll explain it with a beautiful diagram, guys. Trust me, you will love it. And you will also laugh at me for that. Okay, shall I start? Yes. No, ma'am. Hey, I should start, da. Okay. My drawing is very bad. Please don't mind for that. Okay. So now, I want to tell you what is this HTML. I want to tell you what is this HTML. This HTML is, the HTML full form is called as what? Hypertext markup. It is called as hypertext markup language. Yes or no? Iವಾಗ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I wrote the full form. Yes. Now you people are happy? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, you said me HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. What is this hypertext markup language? What is this hypertext markup language? So now, consider this as a human body. Okay, please don't mind with my diagram. I'm very bad at drawing, but still. I know it will not look like yeah, can you people see here? Very beautiful diagram, no? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Ma'am, why have you written this? Why have you written this? Guys, is it looking like skeleton to you? At least somewhat like skeleton? Yes. Somewhat like skeleton? Yes or no? Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Why don't you become a doctor, ma'am? Yeah. If I had done that, maybe I would have become a doctor. Okay. So now, don't you think that this is skeleton? Yes. So now,
Yes, ma'am.
I will say that for an example, if I take a human body, if you don't have skeleton, if you don't have rib cage, if you don't have spinal cord, if you don't have skull, bones, will you stand like this? Will you stand like this? No, no, no. You will not stand. Yes or no? Why a skeleton is required? To give some structure to your body. Yes. Your skeleton is required to give some structure to the body. Yes or no? So now, can I say your HTML is nothing but which provides structure. Which provides structure to which one? Not your human body. Not your human body. Which provides structure to your website or web page. Clear till here? Clear till here? Now, what do you mean by HTML? HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Yes. But what is that hypertext markup language? It is nothing but which provides the structure to the human body. Okay. Only skeleton is enough. For you people, only skeleton is enough. Yes or no? If anyone comes like this, no, you people will think that he's a ghost. Yes or no? Yes or no? So if this skeleton has to look beautiful, you will add some muscles to him. You will add some muscles. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now see, I have added muscles to him. Yes. Only that is enough. Yes, I have added muscles to him. Yes. Yes or no? So don't you think that, okay, ma'am, no eyes for, no eyes, no nose, no nothing. See, what is, now you understood what is HTML. Now what is CSS? Now what is CSS? Alone you cannot have a skeleton. Alone you cannot have a skeleton. You should have some features for it. You should have some muscles, 6 packs or 8 packs or family pack or whichever you want, you keep for him. Okay. So now he should have some eyes. I'm very sorry for the diagram, please. Not diagram, picture. He should have some eyes. Yes. And he should, okay, if everyone is like this, you cannot differentiate, no? So don't you think that you are supposed to have some hair to that? Yes or no? A hair to him so that I can differentiate from one person to another person. Yes. Yes or no, guys? Ears. If you want, you add ears also. Okay, I'll give ears. I'll give nose also. Eyebrows also. Now clear? Done? Done. So now tell me why your CSS is required. Why your CSS is required? Can I say that your CSS is required for styling? Your CSS is required for styling. Man, use. Okay. Now, your CSS, can I say it is required for styling of what? Can I say styling of web page? Styling of web page or website? Yes, guys. Yes. Clear with what is HTML and CSS? Clear with what is HTML and what is CSS? What is HTML? Now, can you tell me why your HTML is required? It is required to provide structure, not to the human body, structure to the website or web page. Yes? Yes or no? And now, why your CSS is required? Why your CSS is required? CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet. CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet. And now why your CSS is required? To add some styles to it. To add some styles to it and make your website or web page look more beautiful, more colorful. You will be using CSS. Clear? Done with this? Done with this? You understood what is HTML and CSS? You understood what is HTML and CSS? Yes or no? Clear with this? Now, can you tell me who is the founder of CSS? Who is the founder of CSS? Or in which year it was found? Is my screen visible to you all? Your CSS was proposed in the year. No one didn't go and propose him. Proposed means it was found in the year. Okay. So CSS is nothing. CSS was proposed in the year from the year 1989 to 1990. Hey. Okay. And it was proposed by a person called as Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Not Burner, it is Berners. He's called as Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Okay? Clear? Yes. Clear with this? So now, after this, you have something called as versions of HTML. You have something called as versions of HTML. Now, what are the versions of HTML according to this? See, the first version, you have something called as HTML1 or 1.0. You have something called as HTML1 or HTML 1.0. In this, you have something called as, they were adding something called as a basic structure, that is with headings, with paragraphs, lists, and links. What is this basic structure? I will teach you. Okay. Next one, in that, they also added simple formatting and document linking. What is that? See, now for theory reason, you understand this. From tomorrow, trust me guys, you people will be doing hands-on. You will be doing hands-on. In one single day, if I tell you people everything, you people will not learn anything. That is the reason I'm going slow. Clear? Done? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? My dear students, my dear lovely students, please do reply in the chat box. Okay. Next one, you have something called as HTML. What is the second version of HTML? Yes. What is the second version of HTML, guys? What is the second version of HTML? The second version of HTML is HTML 2.0. HTML, for creating HTML, what kind of technology he used? I will tell Mahendra. Okay. So now, in HTML 2.0, it was found in the year 1995. Okay. And in this one, with the basic structure of HTML, they added some more extra features. With the basic structure of HTML, which was there in your HTML 1.0, they added some more extra features. What were those extra features? That was nothing but, it is not Robo 2.0. Okay. It is nothing but he added some extra features like HTML forms and HTML tables, and also some extra formatting tags. What are those extra formatting tags? Further you will be learning. Okay, done. Next one is what may be the next one? 3.0. Now tell robot 3.0. Next one, you have something called as HTML 3.0. HTML 3.0, and inside this, what and all they added? They added, see, till now this HTML1 and HTML2, you people were able to write only one code, that is HTML code. Okay. Now in this HTML3, you can also, by using the same HTML code, inside this HTML code only you can add the CSS properties. Inside this HTML code, you can add JavaScript properties. So these and all were the features which were added extra in HTML 3.0. Clear? Done? Yes. Next one, you have something called as HTML. You have something called as HTML4. You have something called as HTML4. So when was this HTML4 found? In the year 1999. Was anyone born in this year? No, no? Yes or no? No. Okay. So in this one, they added some extra features. They added some extra features, that is nothing but they use another two types of tags called as div tag and span tag. They use something called as div tag and span tag. Okay. Okay. And the last version of HTML, that is only called as HTML5. The last version of HTML and the current version of HTML you will be using is HTML5. HTML5. And inside this HTML file, they added some more extra features. What were those features? What were those features? They introduced something called as media tags. They introduced something called as media tags, and they also, see, can you see here? They use something called as multimedia tags or media tags, and also something called as semantic elements. What is semantic elements? I'll teach. Okay. Done? Clear with the versions of HTML? Yes or no? So what is the current version of HTML we will be using? What is the current version of HTML we are using? It is nothing but HTML5. Clear with this? Clear with this? You got some basic idea about what is this HTML, what is this CSS, what is the history of HTML and the versions of HTML? Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? Clear? You have any other doubts in this? Any other doubts of what the topics I taught you today? From tomorrow, trust me, you will be doing hands-on. Okay? Yes? Done? Clear? Okay. I hope I didn't bore you people with the class. And I hope you learned something from this class. Yes or no? Did you learn something from this class? Yes? Okay. Just a second. I will just share your attendance scanner. Please do scan with it. Please do scan. Not at all bored, ma'am. It was fantastic. Thank you, Bhagya. Thanks a lot. Okay. Let me share with your attendance scanner. Yeah, I have shared it. Sorry. How many days class? 15 days, Naina. Yes, Sharma, we will provide. 1 second. Is the screen visible for you all? Please scan with the attendance certificate. Yes, Obviously, you will get certificate, Nayana. Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoy the class and you people learn something from this class. So meet you all tomorrow and please first scan your attendance. Please scan your attendance and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. How to scan? How to scan? Open your mobile. Open your mobile.
Bye.
Just scan this. You will get a link there. You will get a link there. Just click on that link. You just click on that link and you type the required whatever questions they have asked. Which college, mama? Naina, you're asking, I am from which college? Your introduction. Yeah, I said you know myself, Aishwarya. And in this 15 days of journey, I will be with you people.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Guys, that is, ma'am, I use phone to attend the class. Okay, just wait a second. I just share the link of the attendance. Guys, I have shared the link. Please, you can scan from, you can enter the details. Yeah, if you have done scanning with attendance, you can leave for the day. Yes, tomorrow also the class timings is same. Thank you.